My channel. Today we're going to make Bharela Baingan. It's stuffed eggplant. I have here half a cup of green peas. I've made a paste out of it. To that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, and some salt, and I'm going to mix it well. I'm going to add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, make the masala, and then we are going to fill the eggplant. This slitted eggplant here, so I've just slit it partially. It's not completely cut off, just slit. So slitted all of them. So I'm going to fill this masala into it. Plants are all filled. Let's air fry it at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and make the masala for the eggplant. I have a pan here. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of oil. Also added 1 teaspoon of mustard seed and 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. We're going to add 1 cup of onion to this and saute it. Next, we're going to add little salt and 1 medium-sized tomato. Let's add the remaining masala that we made earlier. A pinch of asafoetida or hing, and 1 teaspoon of fennel powder. Also, let's add 1 green chili, and we are going to add 3 teaspoons of yogurt. Let's mix the yogurt and add in 1 cup of water and let it cook for 3 minutes. Then we are going to add in the eggplant. Go ahead and add the eggplants, the air fried eggplants. If you have lactose problem, you can skip the yogurt part. So let's mix it evenly. Let's go ahead and mix the masala well. Make sure that you're not breaking the eggplant pieces. Let's cook it on low heat for 4 minutes, and we are going to sprinkle some cilantro. The eggplant is ready to be served. Let's go ahead and plate it. Hope you like this recipe. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.